Hello and welcome to Nolan School of Motoring. In this video tutorial we will be looking at meeting situations. A meeting situation is a conflict with approaching traffic. As we turn left here into this residential zone, immediately you can see you have a meeting situation. The biggest judgment call for a learner driver here is to either stop or to carry on driving. In this video we will look at how to make those judgment calls. When passing stationary vehicles on your left, make sure you maintain a sufficient gap. Check this by using your left side mirror. The closer you get, the slower your speed should be. Here you can see the oncoming traffic has flashed their headlamps and given us the priority. They've also reinforced this with their road position. Slowing down in this situation gives you more time to make better judgment calls. We will be taking the next road on the right. As soon as you turn right into this new road, immediately you can see you're faced with potential meeting situations. Again, we can see the approaching vehicle flashing their headlamps and giving us the priority. If the vehicle has given you priority, it's highly likely that they will be patient and wait for you to pass. Through this section you can see the learner driver is getting too close to the vehicles on their left. The reason for this is because they are overly focusing on the driver that just flashed their headlamps. Be very mindful of the gap you keep on the left side of your vehicle. Don't overly focus on the oncoming traffic when they give you priority. Here we have a meeting situation. In other words, there's not enough room for two vehicles. Our learner driver is now going to give priority to the oncoming traffic. You can see them pulling up in a holdback position or a safe location for the oncoming traffic to get past. The most effective way to deal with a meeting situation is to focus on the centre of the road. If you believe your vehicle will straddle or encroach on the centre of the road, or if the approaching vehicle is going to do the same, it's essential to stop and give priority to the approaching vehicle. When you stop in your holdback position, make sure you leave enough room to move off. I hope you found this video useful and please subscribe to more videos.